Hi, my name is Matthew Peasy, and I'm going to show you how you can use Photoshop for importing your pictures. There could be several reasons as to why you'd want to use Photoshop for importing your images, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at a couple of them now. If you want to import your pictures from a digital camera, you won't use Photoshop directly. Rather, you'll use a sister program called Bridge. Bridge comes with a Creative Cloud subscription, if you have one. It even comes with a Creative Suite if you have a license for Photoshop. Either way, inside of Bridge, you'll import your pictures. And once you import them into Bridge, you have the ability to open them inside of Photoshop. So here inside of Photoshop, you have two options. You can go to the File menu, and from the File menu, you can choose Open, and you can open any image available on your computer. The other option, which is probably a nicer way of looking for a particular image, is using Bridge. So from the File menu, you can choose Browse in Bridge. This will jump you into Adobe Bridge. Adobe Bridge gives you a visual way to look through all the files on your computer. In this case, I'm looking at a specific directory called Pictures. I can see little thumbnail previews of these pictures, and when I find one that I want to edit inside the program, all I have to do is double-click. And once I double-click, that document is opened inside of Photoshop.